Hud-Son Patriot sawmill is the mid-size and the Freedom Line sawmill. The Patriot is another mill that is American written all over it, made in the USA. The mill is the unassembled mill, so the craftsman in you can put this mill together to save yourself some money, making this an affordable option for you. The Patriot has two 6-foot sections of ground track. More additional track is available. Comes with the Hud-Son cam style log dog to log your log down while sawing. Patriot has a manual crank up and down for your board height, and also has your log scale here with the quarter scale built into it, so you don't have to do any blade kerf adjustments while you're sawing. The Patriot has an upgraded engine, giving you more horsepower up into the teens, 13 minimum. Patriot has the Hud-Son 4-post frame with your vertical lift tubes made out of structural steel. Also has the Hud-Son H-frame, where we support the band wheel and blade on either side using 1.5-inch pillow block bearings. Very sturdy, stable design. The guide system on the Patriot features a 24-inch between the guide with an adjustable guide for accuracy. You can cut a 24-inch slab, which is very nice. Shoe guides supporting on the top and bottom. This mill is great for the homeowner, landowner, farm, do-it-yourselfer. Get this mill, put it together yourself in a very affordable way. You can make some lumber today.
To our commitment to building and designing strong equipment made out of structural steel, you are going to be able to pass this down to the next generation so they too can achieve their dreams. We'd love to hear from you, so let's get cutting.